Okay, here's first fish on this raining cold day.
Wow, today's a weird day.
Yeah.
Raining, cold. First fish.
Right there. See it.
If I can grab this. Oh, I stuck my arm.
No.
There it is.
It's nice.
Yeah, today is weird.
Morning,
See that?
everyone. Welcome
Alright.
to the Fishing Addict channel. We're here today, Here's another
early
one.
morning, trying to fish for the catching some more slabs
I see color.
on a cold, windy, rainy day. Are we crazy or what? Anyway, it's good to be out on the water and try to chase those slabs.
Yeah.
And we want to thank you everyone for watching. All right, do not go away. Stay tuned.
Really nice, really nice. Alright, number 2 for the morning.
0 for me.
There it is. Number 3.
My first one though.
Oh, it's alright. I only got 2 so far. So, this is number 3. 1 for her. Nice. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
That looks big. Oh, always like that.
Oh, it won't come out. Yeah, it hooked it so good.
Oh, you hooked it really good?
Yeah, it hooked it really good.
Pretty. Look how fat that is. Ooh, it's like 15 inches.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. 2-2. 4 for the morning. Looking nice. Really, really nice. All right. On a cold, miserable morning, but hey, we're catching fish, right? Okay. Here's number 5. 3 for her. Past me now. We're on a race today. Oh, that was so old. Wow, that's a 6-pound line too.
Oh, I want to use my.
Look how nice that is.
Oh, yeah. It's got this one. Beautiful.
Really nice. Check that out. Yes. All right. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Where's the color? There it is. There's the color. Oh, that's a pretty one. Nice.
That is
That's
thick.
huge.
Thick.
You gonna try to weigh that one? No, there's still about 2
Look how
pounds.
fat.
All
Yeah,
that
they're
fat.
2 pounds.
Yeah, all
Real
that
pretty.
pounds.
Yeah. All right. We'll let it go. It's like 15-inch, 2 pounds.
Woo.
Number 7. So
Oh,
there's
look at you.
4 for me.
Four, 3. Here's botless too, right?
Nope, not this one.
Alright, make it botless.
Notorious Custom Jigs. Here it is. Paddle tip.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, I think you should weigh that one. That one looks big.
Notorious Custom Jig paddle tips. Look at it. 10.5 inch. Yep. It's at least 2 pounds. I know
Yeah,
that.
say 2.2. That's a pretty fat.
Yeah, 2.5 pounds. Number 9. Number 9 for the morning. Here's
for
her
me.
4th one.
And you got 5.
I'm up by 1.
Oh, there you go.
It is
You go.
fighting. That is a football right there.
All big. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that.
Yeah. Look at the fish. Yeah. Yeah, so number 4 for her.
Oh, this is the smallest one today.
Still big.
That's like 13 though.
Still big. Smallest one, but still big.
Yeah.
Yep.
Still 13.
All right. Number 10. Number 6 for me. Here we are, number 11. She's at 5. Be careful for toilet water. There it is. Oh my goodness.
Ew, that's a long one.
It's like 15 and a half. Please. And then, do you want to measure?
Yeah, just make this one.
Here.
It's only 15.
15.
Yeah, for 15.
Yep. Really, really nice.
Okay, good size, 14 and a half. Oh, I got one too.
Okay.
Oh, I got one too. I got a real hold.
There you go.
That'd be nice on the actual camera up there. That would work.
Yeah, it's raining out there, so we didn't want to use the GoPro out in rain.
Yeah.
There's
Sing it, but man, it's wind and the rain.
wind, rain, cold.
And wind. Oh, I lost it.
Oh,
Oh, raining day. Raining day, windy, cold.
it's number 9 for me.
Fish are biting like crazy.
Fish is biting.
Nice. Oh, there goes another 15. Oh, you got my line.
Oh,
No wonder I can't find a few fish.
wow. All right.
Okay.
All right. This is number 12. 7 for me.
5 for me. Oh, this one is the spot look a little bit smaller.
Yeah, this one's about small on the fish finder.
But that's still big.
Oh yeah. This is still big anywhere you go.
13
It's like 13 inches.
13.
Yep. All right.
Well, at least if I didn't catch a fish, I catch this right here. I got the merman. I think so. Oh, yeah, that's what you get for being lazy.
I'm so lazy. I try to grab it. Sweet. Really, really pretty.
Yeah. There we go. 16th one.
So number 12.
16th.
Really nice.
Sometimes you gotta,
Wow, that's big.
sometimes you gotta be where everybody is to get the fish.
That is a nice, nice one. All right.
Actually, this will be number 20.
20. I don't know what number is for you, but it's number
This is
20.
my 7 one. You got 13.
Oh, so I'm at 13. She's at 7.
You still beat me quite a bit.
Nah, that's not that much. As long as we're doing good, that's all that counts. Wow! Yeah. Oh my god, that's a
That
big
is a
one.
big one. It kind of stopped for a little bit.
Yeah, good. Hey, you want to measure?
No,
That's like 15 and a half.
yeah, they're all like
All right.
there's the 12 hole.
There.
A beautiful slab day. That's 14 and a half.
22?
Yeah,
23?
22. Fishing with the ducks. That's what it is. nice clean one right there.
Oh my goodness.
That's a really clean one.
How pretty that is.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
Nice quality, 15.
Wait,
so-
let's see.
Yeah, they're 15.
Yeah,
15 and a half.
Okay.
Go again.
Number 20.
3.
I thought the last one was 23.
22, now it's 23.
Oh, okay. Big one too. Oh.
Oh, nice one.
Giant.
There's a little bit thing on the bottom.
I don't know what it is.
Something got
Looks
bit.
really, really nice. Ooh, look at that. Oh man. So many. Huge. Oh. Dang. Get your heart
It's
pumping.
tongue
Look
line.
at that. Ooh. It's like 15 and a half. All 15 and a half. 2 pounds.
Oh, 2 pounds.
Jeez.
The one, here's a video on the ones that we try to put the microphone on so that it would be better. We tested at home and it was good. We thought it was still good. Then we have it on the water and we had all this recording while it was on the stand, and unfortunately when it came home we tried to play it and it was muted, so it didn't work. We only put 1 or 2 of them on here only, but we got a lot of the fish on them, which there was no sound.
Color right there. Yeah, there you go. Nice.
Look at that. Alright, okay.
We caught doubles on this one and I was very excited. I was telling him, yeah, I got one too. And then when we got the fish back out, Attic is showing it. And I was telling Attic, I still want to fish. I still want to fish.
I'm sorry for the lack of sound on this clip, but I did try to go out and get a mic for the GoPro to see if it made the sound any better, but then unfortunately it did not work for whatever reason when we're out on the water. I did test it at the house and it worked just fine, so I'm not sure what was happening here. I need to take a look at it more and see what is happening. I hope all of you enjoyed this little video that we did with these huge crappies, or huge schools of these huge crappies. But as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much everybody for stopping by and joining us. Until next time, thank you.